This is neck rehab phase 1. So we're going to start with isometric exercises, meaning that our head's going to stay in the same place, but we're still getting a contraction. So we'll start with rotations. You're trying to rotate into the hand, but there shouldn't actually be any movement, just a contraction here. You're going to do that on both sides. Next one is going to be side bending. So I'm pressing into my hand this way, but there's no movement once again. Forward flexion, I'm pressing my forehead into the hand, and then same thing in the back there. Spin about 10 seconds each direction and get about 3 sets of that. Once you're starting to feel a little bit better, we can work into some motion. So just working into the range of motion that we have, I'm working to squeeze as far as I can over my shoulder, and same thing in the opposite direction. And then we'll do that same thing but with flexion and extension.